Here they are engaged in the material, they are like learning through practically doing it rather than just listening it and writing the homeworks. Hi, I'm Richa. We have our kids studying at ILM. Advik is in M0. He just started school 2 months back. Adya is in M3. She's been studying in the ILM since last year. The main reason to choose Montessori was the hands-on learning that it provides. The kids are actively engaged in the material rather than the passive learning that happens in traditional schools where the kids just sit in the table and chair and they're just listening to what the teacher is saying. Here they are engaged in the material, they are like learning through practically doing it rather than just listening it and writing the homeworks. So that was the main reason we chose Montessori. And when we were looking for schools for Adya, we came to ILM, we saw the classroom, we interacted with the teacher, principal, and we really liked the way that they bring the true Montessori spirit. And the teachers are like really engaged, they care for the kids, they care that they need to give them the correct Montessori education. So we were very impressed, and that's why we enrolled Adya last year. And it was a natural choice for our son as well, seeing how Adya has learned over 1 year. We wanted to start Advik's journey with schooling at ILM too. So I mean, up here what happens is they are mostly guided by teachers on what they want to do for the day or what lessons they want to teach in. At home, since this is like all their learning happens here, as parents we don't have to worry about like teaching them any concepts or making them learn new things. They are generally more involved in like playing and like just bonding with each other. Both of them are excellent. Like the teachers are, we've always had good feedback for them, and the environment is very child friendly. Like Montessori itself is a little child centric environment because it puts child at the center. So it's very natural for the kids to like start interacting with the materials, be working in a group, which is also like a very Montessori thing because then they can learn how to do things in a group rather than just like doing it individually. I will recommend ILM for everyone. The way it has groomed our kids, we highly recommend ILM.